Sylvanian Family Values, Unboxing Playful Starter Furniture Set with Andrew Bowen. That's me. Hello everyone. Today we don't have an animation because at the moment I'm not at home, so I can't do any animating. Actually, I am in Rio de Janeiro, which is in Brazil, but I'm in the capital city, Rio de Janeiro, with my wife who is just using the camera at the moment. But one thing that's very good about this place is that they had a Sylvanian store. And so I have bought several different boxes of Sylvanian things. If we go through these, I've bought some little lights for the tower home. I've also bought this Playful starter furniture set. What?
It's upside down.
Is it? Oh, sorry. Okay, this one. Okay, there's also an outdoor furniture set. And there's also the Babblebrook family. I think that's what they're called. And also, I bought this dentist set. So this is going to be my first unboxing video. So let's have a look at these. Okay, so the first one we're going to look at is the Playful Starter Furniture Set. Okay, this is what the box looks like with a few little images of those little happy Sylvanians using their kitchenware in their house. And it's also designed to go with the starter home. So let's have a look inside and I'll try not to get too excited. Okay. I'm sure my nephew will love playing with this, but let's have a look at the box now. So all the different pieces on this in this plastic packaging, and we've got several different things. We've got the toilet, we've got some oven, and I think it's a stove. We've also got a kitchen, and also we have the toilet and various utensils. Okay, so let's unpack it. I've also got speech bubbles for some reason as well. I don't know why. I don't know, maybe the stove talks. Who knows? Oh, look, we've got a little background for us all there of the kitchen.
Oh, very nice.
Maybe I might be able to use that later on. Okay, so let's have a look. The first one is the sink. Now, one thing which is really good about this set is that the tap works. You can bring it up and the water comes out and it goes back in.
All right.
Okay. The next one is for toilets. That's all to do with water. Let's just lift up the seat. And with this one, with this little handle, we can allow the water to come in and out. Okay. We also have, I've forgotten the proper name, but I call her Cynthia, but looks like I've got another little Cynthia character here. She can be Cynthia's twin sister maybe. Okay, that'll do. Okay, we also have the stove. One thing about the stove, it has a little oven area underneath, but also it's got this little handle that when you move it, gets the flames up. And if you're just boiling water, you can have it on a low flame, or if you're frying something, you can have it on a high flame. Okay, the next one we have is, I think it's, what is this? What is this?
What is this?
Okay, it's got something to do with a little thing here. This is to do with bread. I may have to show that later. We'll go on to the next one, which is the fridge. Okay, the fridge, it doesn't come with so many things to put inside the fridge. There's always plenty of things from other Sylvanian sets that you can use.
I like it very much.
Yes, you do, Susie. Okay, so I'll just have to pause the camera a moment while I sort these things out because they're all in the bubble packing, okay? Okay, now we can look at another mechanism, which is this little dishwasher and worktop. For dishwasher, we have below, And with the worktop, we have a special spring-loaded switch so that when we push down here, it cuts the pie in half. Yes, Susie, you'll be able to do it later, Susie.
Yes, I can't wait for that.
Or we can do it with some bread. Okay. Here we go. Okay. So that's one for mechanism. Okay. And now we have the fridge. Okay, the fridge, we've got flour, eggs, milk, and an apple to go in there. But also, I've just dropped the apple. Okay. But also we have this little thing here, which is for ice. And now I have to work out how it works. Okay, so now we can look at the fridge. Now the fridge uses these little cups here, but Cynthia likes to have ice in her drink, don't you, Cynthia? So she's going to come over to the fridge, making sure it's shut. She's going to push it in and... Oh, she's got ice. Cynthia, I'd like a drink too, please, and I want ice in my drink. Can you just do that one, please? Get it in, go on. Push it in. Push it in, Cynthia. Oh. You have to do yourself, don't you? Ah, there you go. And we've got some more ice and one more. And we've got ice again. Basically, the ice goes in this little hole up here and then it comes out at the bottom. Okay. So that's the entire set. And it's very nice. Okay. Okay, so we have the final set here. So as we can see here, we have got the oven with the stove, and we've also got a pancake and a little spatula with a frying pan with a little beak here, or spout. Then we've got the chopping board with the mechanism here for allowing you to cut it, and the dishwasher. We've also got the fridge here with the place for the ice, and also some of the things that come with it to put inside, and we have the toilets here, and I'm afraid we've caught Cynthia at a bad time, unfortunately, but she just couldn't wait to use it, and 3 of the cups that come with it as well. So I'll switch off the tap. We want to save water.
Yes, I was going to say that.
Okay, and there we go. That is the, if I can remember the name, the Playful Starter Furniture Set, or in Portuguese, Conjunto Primeiros Móveis Divertidos. Okay. Goodbye.